Eyelashes are very important for your beauty. If you have got those long fluttering eyelashes, then your eyes will be the center of attention. But, everyone is not blessed with such long eyelashes. You need to make a bit of effort to achieve those long fluttering eyelashes. Have a look at these 12 ways given to grow long eyelashes naturally. Make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. 1. Castor oil. We all know that castor oil is a wonder oil for hair. So, before sleeping every night, take a bit of castor oil on your Q-tip and apply it on your eyelashes. Wash off gently with warm water in the morning. 2. Olive oil. Similar is the case with olive oil. Apply the olive oil on your eyelashes every night and wash off with your regular face wash in the morning. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is another moisturizing agent which, when used on your eyelashes, will nourish and moisten the eyelashes and help them to grow. This will fight against all the impurities and dust, and elongate your eyelashes in no time. 4. Vitamin E. Take a capsule of vitamin E available in the market and apply it on your eyes. Make sure you apply only a very little amount. This will give a nice sheen and show to your eyelashes. 5. Massage. Don't forget to massage your eyelashes with ice, shea butter, or aloe vera. This will soothe your eyelids and remove any dirt and infections, and thus, your eyelashes will grow in no time. 6. Essential oils. There are many essential oils available in the market which are superb for the growth of eyelashes. Essential oils like rosemary, lavender and many others will help nourish and protect the eyelashes. 7. Eat healthy. Eating healthy is very important. It reflects on your skin and eyes too. So, include lots of vitamins and minerals in your diet. This will make sure that your skin is all glowing and your eyelashes will also grow with time. 8. Avoid false eyelashes. False eyelashes can be a temporary solution. But, it's not permanent. These hamper with the growth of your eyelashes, and thus, your natural lashes become very soft and break easily. 9. Green tea. Another herbal product to apply on your eyelashes is green tea. Take a cup of unsweetened green tea and apply it with cotton on your eyes. With time, this will reduce any infections and your eyelashes will grow amazingly well. 10. Eggs. Eggs contain biotin and vitamin B, which helps in improving the texture of your hair and eyelashes both. With time, this will not only elongate your eyelashes but also make them thick and glossy. 11. Honey. This will also nourish and strengthen your eyelashes, and thus, your eyelashes will grow in no time. Also, honey will bring an incredible shine to your lashes. 12. Petroleum jelly. We all know the benefits of petroleum jelly. It will nourish and strengthen your eyelashes and elongate them, and make them look glossy and shiny.